I have a very, very simple philosophy. I'm going to start. I'm not going to take your time before the PowerPoint starts because I'm going to speak to you about one simple philosophy that if people do not audit their CCTV, and this is a very, very new concept in the world, if you do not audit CCTV, you will continue to suffer. This may sound very harsh, but the fact of the matter is that people do not get benefit from CCTV because they do not audit CCTV. And I'm going to start my presentation proving my point की जर तुम्ही CCTV ला पाहिलं नाही, कॅमेरानी जे पाहिलं जे तुम्ही पाहिलं नाही तर ते पैसे तुम्ही वेस्ट करतात. मी तुम्हाला सांगतो. हॅपी न्यू इयर. जरा उशीर आहे वर्षामध्ये हॅपी न्यू इयर म्हणायला. जूनचा महिना आहे. सो आय एम नॉट सेइंग हॅपी न्यू इयर टू यू, बट दिस इज एक्झॅक्टली व्हॉट द क्रिमिनल सेड टू अ बैंक इन Agra when they looted that bank on the 1st of January. They took away 27 lakh of rupees from the bank, and they also took away the recorder. And look at the cheek of these people. After taking away the recorder, they went and gave the branch manager a Happy New Year card. So my very basic question to all of you is that if this thing could happen with the cameras, of what use are those cameras? I cannot not speak about the Pathankot attack. I have to talk about the Pathankot attack. After the investigation, the army found out that there were 11 petrol pumps on the route that the terrorists took. All those petrol pumps had cameras. Now you can imagine, आपण विचार करा की इतकी मोठी घटना रेकी शिवाय कशी होणार? How will such a big incident take place without recce? This must have gone on for months and nobody realized it in spite of having so many cameras. Take the case of our HRD Minister Mrs. Irani in a store in Goa. What was the fault of the camera? Nothing. The perpetrator only shifted the angle of the camera. Instead of looking this side, the camera was looking that side. And this went on for 1 year. So 1 year the camera was looking at what it was not supposed to look at. काय उपयोग ह्या कॅमेराचा? The third case is the corporate espionage case in Delhi, Petroleum Ministry. What did they do? They bribed the CCTV operator. So they said, okay, every time we want to steal your secrets, please put off the CCTV cameras. We will come, steal your secrets, and then you can put on your cameras again. I am in Kalyan, so I must speak about this incident that took place in Kalyan in a housing society. A poor little kid died in a housing society which had cameras. And if that happened, of what point are these cameras? A school kid raped in a school by teachers. We have seen so many such incidents happening in Bangalore. All covered by cameras. So there is something fundamentally wrong. All we think is कुछ घटना घटती है कैमरा बढ़ा दो, घटना घटती है कैमरा बढ़ा दो, फिर भी घटनाएं कम नहीं होती. आप देखिए, न्यूज़पेपर खोलिए, हर रोज आपको कोई ना कोई किस्सा मिलेगा. आप देवनार का किस्सा देखिए. वहां देवनार में क्या हुआ था? What happened in Devnar? There was a fire. They wasted so much of water, so much of pollution. When the police did their investigation, they found that the cameras were not there. So our Honorable Chief Minister suggested that they should have new cameras. They put in 12 new cameras. Within 1 month of putting those 12 new cameras, there was another fire. So what sense was that entire exercise? Everybody talks about city surveillance. Mumbai has 6,000 cameras in the city after 7 years of after the 26/11 attack. 6,000 cameras. Kalyan is going to have about 671 cameras because some consultant suggested that you should have 671 cameras in a central surveillance. My fundamental question to all of you is, are 671 cameras sufficient for Kalyan? Answer is no. Are 6,000 cameras sufficient for Bombay? Answer is no. Why? Because two or three things. One is there is something called situational awareness and video blindness. Please remember this. Before you add new cameras, please remember that how will somebody who is sitting in a command and control center realize what is wrong and what is right? त्याला नाही कळणार. 12 मिनिटात माणूस व्हिडिओ ब्लाइंड होऊन जातो 45%. 12 मिनिटात. 22 मिनिटात a person becomes 90% video blind. So he is sitting in front of your command and control center, पण त्याला काही कळत नाही. आणि मी म्हणतो की मुंबईमध्ये 5 लाख कॅमेरा असतील, कल्याणमध्ये 1 लाख कॅमेरा ऑलरेडी असतील, प्रत्येक हाऊसिंग सोसायटीमध्ये आहे, प्रत्येक शाळामध्ये आहे, प्रत्येक ज्वेलरी स्टोअरमध्ये आहे, प्रत्येक बँकमध्ये आहे. त्याला वापरा ना आणि सेंट्रलाइज करू नका. त्याची फीट पोलीस स्टेशन आणायची चूक करू नका. ते नाही चालणार. What you should do is the following. So moral of the story काय आहे? We are having a lot of problem with this. Okay, so before I go to what is the solution, let me tell you one thing. See the funny part. Some states have got an Internal Security Act. I think Maharashtra is also starting that act. That if you have more than 100 people coming to your establishment, you have to have cameras, which is fine. But there is no act or there is no law that the camera should be working. And this is a problem with the police. Ask the police. जेव्हा घटना घडते आणि पोलीस जाते पाहायला तेव्हा ते म्हणतात साहेब आम्ही काय करू, आमचे कॅमेराच बंद होते, आमच्या रेकॉर्ड चोरी करून घेऊन गेले. मग ते काय कामाचं? सो मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी काय आहे? सिंपल. सीसीटीव्हीचा ऑडिट सुरू करा. स्टार्ट ऑडिटिंग सीसीटीव्ही. हाऊ मच इन्फॉर्मेशन देयर इज इन सीसीटीव्ही? यू हॅव अ डंप ओव्हर हियर. डू यू नो सर हाऊ मेनी पीपल आर गोइंग देयर? How many people are stealing water? How many people are doing things they should not be doing? Kutla alert system chalnar. There is no alert system that gives you all these alerts. Human alert wapra, dole wapra. Backup, smart backup kara. Our technology will allow you to back up your video, same video, in 500% less data size. 500%. आणि इन्सिडेंट झाला तो फॉलो अ स्टँडर्ड इन्सिडेंट फॉर्मॅट which our software can create in PowerPoint so that the crime gets solved quickly. Please remember, cameras only have lenses. Humans have got eyes. So let's ask ourselves one question. Why doesn't anybody audit CCTV? Why? Number one, nobody has thought about it. Nobody has thought about it. We audit our books of accounts. We audit our business processes, but what has got so much information we have forgotten, number one. And number two, it is very difficult to audit. 24 तासाचा व्हिडिओ मी कसं पाहणार? गेल्या दिवसाच्या 24 तासाचे व्हिडिओ कसं पाहणार? But if there is a technology, and that is what we have done, that shows you 24 hours of video in as little as 24 minutes. 24 hours of video you can see in 24 minutes, and once you begin to get used, maybe in 10, 12, 15 minutes in a day. I assure you that. Will you check or will you not check? पाहणार की नाही पाहणार? जर 24 तासाचा व्हिडिओ आपल्याला 24 मिनिटात किंवा अर्ध्या तासात भेटतं, पाहणार की नाही पाहणार? एक स्टँडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसिजर करणार की नाही करणार? करा करा, कारण तेच तुमच्याकडे हा एक उपाय आहे विच विल गिव्ह यू व्हॅल्यू फ्रॉम सीसीटीव्ही. नाहीतर तुमचं सीसीटीव्ही वेस्ट आहे. ही जी इन्फॉर्मेशन कॅमेराची त्याला जी भेटते ती वेस्ट होत आहे सध्या. का? वाय नाव? वी आर लिव्हिंग इन डेंजरस टाइम्स. यू मस्ट ऑडिट. द कॅमेरा इज सीइंग ऑल दिस. आफ्टर द पेशावर स्कूल अटॅक, the Pakistan army was sent to guard the schools when the school opened. After the Paris attack, 10,000 people were sent to guard only 700 schools. My question to you is, for how long can the police and the army do this? Everybody has to get involved. If everybody starts auditing CCTV, how much burden of the police will be reduced? Because we all become the extra eyes of the police. We all contribute to community policing. So what is the solution? Our technology, please come down. We have a booth. We are a software. We will work with your existing cameras. You do not have to change a single camera. कुठूनही कॅमेरामध्ये व्हिडिओ फीड आणा, बस ड्रोनवरनं आणा, वायफाय कॅमेरावरनं आणा, कुठलाही कॅमेरा, जुना कॅमेरा, नवीन कॅमेरा, अजून जे प्रोड्यूस नाही झालेला आहे तो कॅमेरा, आवर सॉफ्टवेअर विल वर्क. And what are the outcomes that you will get by auditing? Crime and loss prevention, improvement of your processes, and crime will get solved faster. Okay, very interesting. Last couple of slides. आपण signs paha. See the signs of CCTV surveillance. If you just do a Google search, you will find 500 such signs. Different. So no standardization in signs as well. Instead of this kind of sign, think about this kind of sign. We check CCTV every day. Change करा sign ला. मराठीत लिहा. आणि महाराष्ट्र गव्हर्नमेंट मध्ये वाय शुड सायन्स बी डिफरंट? एकच कलर, एकच साईज, प्रत्येककडे एकच निरोप. आम्ही सीसीटीव्ही रोज पाहतोय. पाहिला नाही पाहिला ती वेगळी गोष्ट आहे, पण जो येणार आहे तिथे त्याला कळणार नाही की तुम्ही नाही पाहिलं. आता जेव्हा ती ही साईन पाहणार माणूस, तेव्हा तो काय करेल, बाबा हे सोडा, बाजूच्या दुकानात जाऊया, तिथे हीच साईन पाहणार. तिसऱ्या दुकानात जाऊया, मग म्हणणार हा धंदा बरोबर नाही, चोरीचा धंदा बरोबर नाही, दुसरा धंदा काहीतरी शोधूया. एक साईन मुळे स्टँडर्डाइज करा. ओके, कमिंग टू द एंड ऑफ माय स्लाइड्स, अँड दिस इज वेअर आय रिक्वेस्ट ईच वन ऑफ यू, प्लीज हेल्प मी हियर. As a social responsibility, our company has decided to give this software for free to all places of worship world over. So while I thank you for the claps, I would thank you more if you would take part in this, and any mandir, masjid, gurdwara, church, wherever there is CCTV, please approach us. We will give the software for free. We won't be able to come and install it, but we'll train the people to do it. But the software will come to you for free. ComSert for the police, I wish the commissioner was here, but anyway, we are already doing a pilot with Maharashtra Police and with Telangana Police. I'm also very happy to tell you that Mrs. Kiran Bedi was the first one who realized the value, called us to Pondicherry. Last week we were there, and we have installed very successfully for Pondicherry. So and yes, finally, somebody spoke about job opportunity. Mayor Sahib, I think you spoke about job opportunity. See, to create an auditor, you need to be a cost accountant. To create a CCTV auditor, you only need a pair of eyes and a mind and situational awareness. So, people, young girls and boys, 10th standard pass, 12th standard pass, who not had the opportunity to go up in life in education, make them CCTV auditors. एक नवीन कोर्स सुरू करा. दोन फायदे होणार. जॉब क्रिएशन होईल आणि क्राईम तुमचं कमी होईल. फायनली, व्हेरी प्राऊडली मेड इन इंडिया सॉफ्टवेअर. So this is not a software which we have brought from some company, some country and selling it to our Indian. and स्वच्छता से सुरक्षा तक ये सॉफ्टवेयर आपको काम आएगा. सिर्फ सीसीटीवी ऑडिट करना शुरू कीजिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.